Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video we are going to be creating a tissue box cover. This is just a tissue box that I got from Dollar Tree. Nothing special. And I also purchased a foam board from there, one of their little dollar foam boards. And I had cut this up into 5 parts because, you know, the 4 sides, and then you also need one to go at the top. So wish me luck. Never done this, my first time doing it. For the measurements for this one, when I measured it, the box itself was like 5 inches, so I just did 5.5 by 5.5. Hopefully that works. It should. Let me see. Yeah, that's gonna work fine. Yep, that's gonna work good. Okay, so I'm actually going to also design some little custom images to put on it. My husband asked for Dallas Cowboy because I was lost as to what to put on this tissue box. Like, I was so lost. So I am going to probably use these sheets and then put some images on it, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys before I actually cut my images out that I did laminate them. So that's why they'll have like a glossy, you know, finish to them. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut them out. Alright, you guys, so I actually end up changing the shape to a rectangle because let me tell y'all, that circle was hard trying to cut out. And now, you know, this is just going to go on top. But before I put it on top, I'm going to wrap it in the paper. Now, this is where I'm stuck because, of course, it's Dallas Cowboys. You know, that is the blue and the gray. Blue and gray. And I do have gray and blue construction paper. But it's not like... it's not fancy. Like, it's just not... it's plain. You know, it just looks plain, which is fine. I mean, it's for my husband. I guess it shouldn't be too jazzy. But I do have these right here. The only thing is, I mean, it's gold. Would that really clash? Would that clash? Would it clash too much? I don't know. Okay. I think I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do the blue on the top and probably the gray on the sides and just call it a day. Yep, I guess. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Don't want to do it, but that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this piece out, and then I'll be back. And I think because my main thing is covering up these corners and making these corners look as even as possible, I think, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to make, should I do the fold like that? And then make, I mean, because I could start it here. But like I said, I really don't want, I don't know, I don't want that edge showing too much. Now I'm creasing my paper up. Alright, I'm going to figure something out. Alright, you guys, so this is what we got so far. And as you can see, the edges, you know, are covered up. That's what I wanted. That was like the most important thing to me. And now we can go ahead and, shoot, I don't know, I guess attach it. Get all these little glue things up out of here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, glue this on, and then I'll glue the images on. Oh shoot, I done ripped the tissue box. Lord help me. Okay, now y'all, I never know how to do this. Like, this is just the dumbest thing to me. Like, isn't it supposed to be like a flap here where I can just, oh. Okay. Ah, look at that. Ah, look at that. Okay, so not bad. I mean, not bad at all. It's a freaking tissue box. Now I might end up dressing it up at the top and add some stuff on there because it do look kind of plain. Like, what if I put some pearl? Nope, nope. You know what? I'm not gonna put nothing on it. I'm just gonna leave it just like it is. He's a man. He don't want all that. He doesn't care for all that. Anywho, I love it. Yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Y'all, I gotta come back on here and confess I put some pearls on it. But I mean, I think it looks so much better with the pearls. Like, and I don't think he'll mind. I think because I made it and I like it, he'll love it, you know. So I think that made it look so much more polished and finished. So yeah, there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. But yeah, y'all, I had to do something. Like, I just had to do something. So now it's finished. Now I'm happy with it. Y'all can go ahead and get off of here. Bye.